Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to change your MacBook Startup Programs. So first, click on this little Apple icon from this corner. Select System Settings. Now, from this general page, click on Login Items and Extensions. And here you will see, this is the list of the programs that you want to launch as the MacBook Startup. For example, let's say I want to add the Google Chrome to automatically open up when my MacBook started. Click on this plus icon, go to Applications, and select the program, or yes, the application that you want to start automatically. Click on Open. And as you see, once it is added here, just close this window and restart, and this program will automatically launch at MacBook Startup. And this is how to change your MacBook Startup programs. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.